everyone. This is Ayessa Bautista of UnDiplomaticWife.com blog, and I just want to do a quick unboxing from a brand that I love because they are not just proudly Filipino made, but they are also catering to plus size women. I'm so happy that I finally found a local brand that doesn't just fit my taste but also has plus sizes. It's very hard to find local brands that fit plus size women in Asia. I noticed that when I was living in Indonesia and here in the Philippines. So I really appreciate it when there's a brand that's inclusive of curvy, thick women, right? So I'm really excited. This brand is called Ayessa, and you can find them on ayessa.com.ph. So if you guys recall, one of my popular posts in the past few weeks was one for Filipino Fashion Fridays. And what I was wearing there was the popcorn skirt, and I'm so happy because now I have it in black. I know you guys always see me in white, and it's something that I wear a lot here in the Philippines because it's hot. But during receptions, it's very good to have like a black skirt because you can mix and match it with different tops or different Filipiniana tops. So as you guys know, I'm a diplomat's wife, and when we are posted abroad, we are usually invited to diplomatic receptions. And I love wearing proudly Philippine-made things. So this is the popcorn skirt. It's a really versatile style. Then, oh my gosh. I love the popcorn style so much. I also ordered a popcorn dress. Yay! I can't wait to try it. So much Ayessa PH for creating fashion that can be worn daily. I think this can be worn like if you go to the mall, but it can also be dressed up for more formal occasions. I love it. And here is the popcorn dress in white. Yay! I've never been this weight before. This is the heaviest I've ever been because of my bipolar medication called Seroquel. And I want to still feel beautiful in my skin and still be able to wear Filipiniana. So brands like this make it possible for me, and I'm so happy because it still fits my style, which is more simple and minimal lux. Guys, if you like this post and you want me to create more videos of fashion for plus size women here in the Philippines, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye guys!